Fiat has unveiled the new Fiat Pandina, a special series that marks a significant moment in the brand's history, coinciding with the anniversary of the Panda's original launch on February 29, 1980. This homage reinforces the enduring connection between the iconic model and its fervent fan base in Italy and beyond. The presentation, led by Olivier Francois, CEO of Fiat and global CMO of Stellantis, took place at the Giambattista Vico plant in Pomigliano d'Arco, spotlighting the facility's role in producing the beloved car since 2011. The Fiat Pandina is more than a car, it's a tribute to the Italian love affair with the Panda, affectionately nicknamed Pandina by its admirers. Francois expressed pride in announcing that Panda production will continue in Pomigliano d'Arco until at least 2027, a testament to the model's enduring appeal and its significance in the Fiat lineup. This commitment is underscored by a 20% production increase to meet the high demand in Italy and Europe, where Panda maintains its position as a market and segment leader. The Pandina introduces a suite of advanced features, making it the most technologically advanced and safest Panda to date. New advanced driver assistance systems, a digital cluster, and a redesigned steering wheel highlight the model's evolution. Safety enhancements include the advanced emergency braking system, lane keeping assist, and drowsy driver detection, among others. Design-wise, the Pandina sports a new dashboard, seats with the Pandina monogram, and playful exterior details like panda face motifs on the wheel cups. It also introduces new colors, including Positano yellow and new bicolor options. Set to be available in major European countries from this summer, the Fiat Pandina stands as a symbol of innovation, safety, and the enduring legacy of a car that has captured the hearts of millions.